It's lining up. The Meteor, that served in Korea. The Saberjet, that served with 77 Squadron in Korea. And the Vampire, the first RAAF jet trainer, all lining up, ready to display.
In a white room with black curtains in the station. Black roof country, no gold pavements, tired starlings. Silver horses, round down moonbeam in your dark eyes. Don't like smile.
Okay folks, first to go the Gloster Meteor. Very rare aircraft. This is the only flying Gloster Meteor in the world, so let's watch it tonight. Vampire, both a fighter and a jet trainer in the Royal Australian Aircraft. This aircraft owned by Judy Pay, the Vampire from Canada.
And ladies and gentlemen, the last of our trio here is the